Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see here, a really simple and beautiful Italian styled chicken stew with tomatoes and loads of garlic. Very, very easy to make, only a few steps. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients we're going to be putting into our chicken here. So over here I've got a little bit of celery and eggplant chopped, nice and chunky, the eggplant. I've got like half a cup there of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. I want that to be a big flavour here. My herb of choice today is thyme, and I'm using a fresh thyme. If you wanted rosemary, basil, oregano, fresh or dried, is fine. Salt and pepper. Got some black and some green olives and 1 medium sliced onion. That's what we're going to be putting into our chicken. So to our chicken, there's 1 kg or 2.2 pound chicken there. Skin on, bone in. I've cut it into kind of bite-sized pieces, you know, that kind of size. We're now just going to add all of those ingredients in. So let's get in all of that garlic. Plenty of garlic for this for me. Salt and pepper. Throw those olives in. The stones are still in them. That onion. Let's just break that in there a little bit. Those couple of veggies, celery and eggplant. Again, you could be replacing this with something else if you wanted. Our thyme, fresh thyme, I'm going to just break that in. And again, rosemary, basil, oregano, or one of those mixed herbs, Italian mixed herbs will work really well. And then that little half cup of olive oil. In that goes. We're going to give that a mix, then we're going to get over to the cooker. So I've got here a large frying pan. You can be using a saucepan to do this, a kind of larger one that's taller on the side. This just kind of helps you guys see it really clearly. We'll get some heat through that now. Now we're going to drop in our chicken mixture, all in. The whole lot goes in. Now there's enough oil in there for us to add any more. And on a medium heat, not too crazy, just a medium heat. Let's fry that around for about 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, this is going together really nicely. Now obviously not cooked, but got some lovely colour on the outside. What we're going to do now is add some stock. I've got like 3/4 of a pint there of a chicken stock. So you could be using a fresh stock or one of those Maggi or Knorr cubes if you wanted. If you don't want to use stock, you could be adding some wine in there, red or white wine, or just water if you wanted. But I think this stock works really well. You can also be adding beef or chicken stock if you wanted as an alternative. Okay, so what we're going to do now is staying on a medium heat. We're going to let that go for about 6 minutes now. Give it a stir every now and then. Wonderful. Some really beautiful flavours happening there. Okay, last step. We're now going to add in some passata or canned tomatoes if you wanted. Like 2 cans of tomatoes you'd need, which is about 800 ml. Give that a mix, lower the heat, and let that go now. 7 to 8 minutes on a nice, just above a simmer. It's going to really come together. Give it a stir every now and then. Pretty much done. And there we go. Off goes the heat. As you can see, that's changed the colour, like a nice deep red. It's reduced down. It's beautiful and really easy. Check that for salt. It's going to be fine for me. Got a little bit of chopped flat leaf parsley here that I'm putting in. Give that a mix and it's done. That's absolutely delicious with pasta, with rice or with bread. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots and lots of love.